Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a homemade skin lightening treatment, and this is super effective and gentle on the skin. Guys, I recently returned from a vacations, and as you can see I have got some noticeable tan lines on my arm, especially where I worn the watch. The skin under the watch is much lighter compared to the rest of my arm. So today I am going to show you how I use a simple homemade remedy to remove this tan and lighten my skin tone without any harsh side effects. So guys, for this treatment I am using some easy available ingredients: coffee, lemon, baking soda or baking powder, shampoo or liquid, soap and yogurt. So guys, if we talk about the property of these ingredients, as you guys know, coffee helps to exfoliate the skin and improve blood circulation. Baking soda or baking powder helps to cleanse and smooth the skin. And if we are talking about shampoo or liquid soap, it assists in blending the mixture and provides a gentle cleansing effect. And yogurt is packed with lactic acid, which hydrates the skin and further helps in lightening. Finally, lemon acts like a bleaching agent and lighten the skin. Let's start by mixing these ingredients together. As you can see, the mixture becomes quite fluffy and foamy thanks to the reaction between the baking soda and lemon. I started with a small bowl, but I recommended use a larger bowl because as you mix, the ingredients will expand and might overflow. Before starting this, put a towel on your knees and apply it generously to the tanned area of your skin. I am applying it on my hands where I wore my watch during my vacations. Then massage it with my other hand and leave it on your hand for 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, take the remaining lemon and rub it on the same hand for 3 to 4 minutes. And don't forget your knuckles because tanning mostly affect them. After rubbing on your knuckles, you will start to see the results. After 3 to 4 minutes, wash your hand and you will see clear results. Just you can see here. Guys, I just did this process for 5 to 6 minutes because I was recording a video, but if you do this for 10 to 20 minutes or continue this treatment every 1 to 2 days, you will see even better results over the time. To lock in moisturizer and add a nice sheen, I am finishing off by applying some baby oil. It leaves the skin feeling soft, smooth and well hydrated. So guys, this homemade skin lightening treatment is super effective and gentle on the skin. It's perfect for getting rid of those stubborn tan lines after a vacation. Give it a try and let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.